Heading out the door with a bulky speaker packed into your gear usually means sacrificing valuable bag space, or worrying that a sudden splash or accidental drop will completely ruin your device. The Bose SoundLink Micro Bluetooth speaker flips that script entirely, packing rich, premium audio into a rugged, pocket-sized footprint. Wrapped in a striking stone blue finish, this ultra-portable speaker is custom-built for adventurers who want high-fidelity sound that can easily keep up with a fast-moving lifestyle. The engineering feat here lies in the speaker's ability to defy its size. Usually, micro speakers sound thin and tinny, but Bose utilized a custom-designed transducer and matching silicone passive radiators to pump out remarkably crisp, balanced audio with shockingly deep bass. It projects sound with immense clarity outdoors, ensuring your playlist doesn't get instantly drowned out by rushing wind, crashing waves, or trail noise. Durability is where this little powerhouse truly earns its title as a rugged outdoor companion. The exterior is encased in a premium, tear-resistant silicone rubber skin that doesn't just protect against scratches and scuffs. It actively absorbs shocks from hard drops on concrete or rocks. It carries a rigorous IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, meaning it can survive being completely submerged in water, dropped in the sand, or left out in a torrential downpour without missing a single beat. As a clever bonus, it features a heavy-duty, tear-resistant silicone strap on the back that snaps securely around backpack straps, bicycle handlebars, coolers, or belts so your music stays anchored wherever you go. Connectivity and utility are seamlessly integrated into the design. It delivers up to 6 hours of continuous, high-quality playtime on a single charge of its lithium-ion battery. Beyond just playing music, the Micro features a built-in microphone, allowing you to take crystal-clear phone calls or access your phone's native Siri or Google Assistant voice controls directly through the speaker, without reaching into your pocket. If you want to expand your acoustic layout, you can use the Bose app to pair it with a second SoundLink speaker in party mode for double the volume, or stereo mode to isolate dedicated left and right channels. If you are ready to stop leaving your music behind and finally invest in a pocket-sized, indestructible audio powerhouse that straps onto any adventure, this micro speaker is a brilliant choice. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know if you'd strap this to your bike or your backpack, and I will see you in the next video.